Hi, and welcome to my channel. My name is Graydon Schwartz. I'm an aerial and landscape photographer, and today I want to share with you a photograph I created with Luminar 4. I was able to easily add all these birds to the background. Be sure that you stick to the end to get a sneak peek of Luminar AI. So let's get started. So I have the image loaded up here. First, we're going to bounce over to the Creative tab. Then we want to jump into the AI Augmented Sky. And then from the object selection here, we can select a number of things. There's fireworks. You can see them here. Fireworks. I used birds 1 for the photograph I just showed you. There's also a couple more birds. I think these work too. I just really love the first one because it's just a crazy amount of birds. Luminar does just a great job of automatically masking and introducing these new elements to your photograph. I'm not really seeing any issues at all. It does such a good job. And there's a whole bunch more options in here besides just the birds, but I thought this was a great example just to make your photograph a little different and show just the power of this software. I'm really looking forward to Luminar AI coming out this holiday season. Next, I'm going to play the Luminar AI teaser video. Go ahead and leave a comment. Let me know what you think will be possible with this new software coming out. That's not terrible. Like, for a single click. Thank you for watching and consider subscribing.